Hey everyone, I'm back. I know it's been a minute. Today we will be making plant-based spaghetti. First, boil your noodles according to your packaging. I did add some onion powder and avocado oil to my water along with salt. You can do it to your liking. And I'm using a chickpea pasta noodle. Here I am, I'm chopping up my vegetables. I'm keeping them pretty chunky because I want my spaghetti to be chunky. And as you can see, my vegetables, my peppers are on their last leg. So this is the perfect meal to not waste them. Normally I take out the white part. I don't like that taste in my meals, but this time I'm gonna let them ride. And as you can see, my orange peppers are kind of soft, but we're gonna use them anyway. These two patties right here, that is my alkaline vegan burger, and I was trying to go for like a crumble, so they were too frozen to cut up, so I just threw them in the pan in hopes to crumble them up in the pan. Later on you'll find out that I just scrapped that because that wasn't giving me what I needed. So no adding crumbles to this to kind of get that meaty texture in the spaghetti. So I'm gonna just use my vegetables. The zucchini chunks are perfect for adding that texture into the spaghetti. So while you're chopping up these vegetables, go ahead and preheat your pan on medium-high heat. I use avocado oil. You can use grapeseed oil. Then add your onions. You can add your onions first and let them cook down. But I went on and added everything because I still want my vegetables to have a little crunch. And then I'm going to season them to my liking, which is I use onion powder, Italian seasoning, salt and pepper. And I have red onions, green peppers, orange peppers, mushrooms, zucchini. Go ahead and stir everything up so that your seasonings can get incorporated with all the vegetables, and let that cook for 3 to 5 minutes. I will add some additional seasonings because my seasonings are kind of old, so have to use a little bit more when they get a little dated. So I went on and added some more, and then I stirred up a little bit more. Here I am adding in the zucchini. I added that last because I don't want that to cook too much. I want that to remain crunchy because this is going to give you that chunky texture where you took out the meat. This can replace that texture somewhat. Okay, my vegetables have cooked down to my liking, and so now I'm going to add the tomato sauce. I'm adding 2 jars of organic tomato basil, and I believe I used the regular tomato sauce. And I also will add seasonings to this as well. We don't want our food to be bland, so So we're going to add additional seasoning. I'd like to take this time to welcome all new viewers, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like button so you'll see more videos like this. And I'm gonna send a shout out to my uncle in North Carolina, Uncle Alvin. I want to see if you watched this all the way through, so I want to see that like come from you. Okay, I've finished adding all my sauces. At this point, I've turned the pot down to simmer, and I'm adding more seasoning, I see, and some bay leaves. And then I'm gonna put the lid on and let it cook for a while, and then I'm gonna plate. So while I was cooking the pasta and the vegetables, my noodles were sitting, so I had to add some more. I added some oil to it because they got a little clumped together. So here I'm plating it, and when I first eat spaghetti, I don't mix it. It's not until leftovers that I mix it. So I plated the noodles first, and then I added the vegetables. And here's the finished product. A plant-based spaghetti with vegetables, no meat.